Hello children, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we'll be starting with exercise 9.3. So as I already told you, we have done exercise 9.1 and 9.2 in our previous videos. And also children, I have made 4 introduction videos of this chapter. So if you haven't watched that introduction videos, first go and watch those videos. Then this exercise will be very easy for you to solve. Okay, so now we are starting with exercise 9.3 in this video. So exercise 9.3 is on page number 146 of our NCERT book. Okay, so question number 1 says, carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. So in this question we have to carry out multiplications of the expressions. Now in last exercise also we had done multiplication only, but those were expressions, monomial expressions. Okay, but how to multiply two monomial expressions like x and 3x. So in दोनों को हम multiply कैसे करेंगे? Simply 3 as it is and x would be x square. बट ये तो था मोनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन, टू मोनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन. अब हमारे पास जो क्वेश्चंस आएंगे दैट वुड बी मल्टीप्लाइंग मोनोमियल एक्सप्रेशंस बाय binomial expressions. So children, in my introduction video of multiplication, I have done all types of multiplication: monomial with monomial, monomial with binomial, monomial with trinomial, also binomial with binomial, right? So अब जो ये वाली exercise है, in this exercise we'll be carrying out all those types of multiplication only. Okay, so that's why I told you go and watch that video. That would be very helpful for you to solve this exercise. So the first part is 4p and q plus r. So now can you tell me children, 4p is children, can you tell me 4p is which type of expression? 4p is a monomial expression, right? And q plus r is a binomial expression because we have two terms in this expression, q and r. And how can we judge that they are two terms? Because we have an operation plus in between them. It means ये two terms हैं, ठीक है? इसमें तो plus नहीं है. So that is why it is a single term, or we can say monomial expression. Okay? So 4p and q plus r. Now we have to multiply a monomial expression by a binomial expression. And I told you that whenever we have a monomial expression multiplied by a binomial expression, तो हम पहले उस मोनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन को फर्स्ट टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन उस मोनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन को सेकंड टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस वुड बी x इंटू ए प्लस एक्स इंटू बी, और बीच में वही साइन आएगा, वही ऑपरेशन आएगा जो बाइनोमियल के बीच में होगा, ठीक है? सो दिस वुड बी x इंटू ए प्लस एक्स इंटू बी. ओके, सो सिमिलरली हमें यहाँ पे भी वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 4p multiplied by q plus r. यही है हमारे पास. So what we'll do, we'll multiply 4p by q first. 4p will be multiplied by q first and then 4p will be multiplied by r. Okay, so 4p into q plus 4p into r. So 4p into q would be 4pq plus 4p into r would be 4p r. So this is the answer. Now we cannot add both these terms. Why? Because they are unlike terms, and I told you that हम add और subtract सिर्फ like terms को कर सकते हैं. Okay? Multiplication unlike terms में हो सकती है, but add and subtract always like terms के साथ ही होता है. So this means अब ये दोनों further add नहीं हो सकते. So this is the answer. I hope this concept is clear, children. How to multiply a monomial expression by a binomial expression. Okay, so 4p will be multiplied to q first, and then 4p will be multiplied to r. Okay, so this was our first part of question number 1. Now let's come to the second part. So the second part is AB and A minus B, right? Yes. So we have two expressions. This one is a monomial expression. Again, why? Because we do not have any operation in this. Plus minus का कोई sign नहीं है. And in this we have one minus sign. It means A and B are separate terms. ये two terms हैं. That means it is a binomial expression. And this is a monomial expression. So now let's multiply AB by A minus B. So first we will multiply AB by A, and then we will multiply AB by B. Okay, so AB into A minus, because बीच में minus का sign है, AB into B. ठीक है. So now AB into A. Now we have A to the power 1 2 times. So मतलब A to the power 2 हो जाएगा and B as it is रहेगा. Minus अब यहाँ पे B 2 times है. So A as it is रहेगा and B to the power 2 हो जाएगा. So this is the answer. A square B minus AB square. Now children, we cannot subtract them. Why? Because they are not like terms. ये अनलाइक टर्म्स है, इसलिए हम इनको फर्दर सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. यही आंसर है. अब ये अनलाइक टर्म्स क्यों है? बिकॉज यहाँ पे A 2 टाइम्स है एंड वी हैव A 1 टाइम हेयर एंड हेयर B इज 1 टाइम. सो वी हैव B 2 टाइम्स हेयर. सो इट मीन्स ये तो बिल्कुल ही ऑपोजिट टर्म्स हैं. दे आर नॉट लाइक टर्म्स. Okay, so with this we have completed our second part as well, where we multiplied AB by the binomial expression A minus B. Okay, so first we multiplied AB by A, then we multiplied AB by B. So this was our second part. Now let's come to for the third, fourth parts. Now children, let's come to the third part, which says so the third part is A plus B and another expression is 7A squared B squared. So now we have two expressions. One is binomial expression. So A plus B is a binomial expression because we have two terms in this expression and we have an operation plus. अब इसमें plus आ गया तो मतलब A and B are separate terms और ये two terms हैं. That's why it is a binomial expression. And 7A square B square ये एक monomial expression है because इसके बीच में कोई भी operation नहीं है. So this is a single term. ठीक है. So now we will multiply it. तो अब हम 7A square B square मोनोमियल टर्म को पहले लिख लेते हैं एंड A plus B से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ठीक है. So now 7A square B square will be multiplied by A first and then it will be multiplied by B. Okay. So 7A square B square into A करते हैं पहले. 7a² b² इंटू ए, बीच में आएगा प्लस 7a² b² इंटू बी, ठीक है। सो 7a² b² इंटू ए करेंगे, सो वी हैव a 2 times and here we have a 1 time, so a total हो गया 3 times, so 7 as it is a cube b² plus again 7 as it is a² as it is, अब यहाँ पे b है 3 times, so b cube, so this is the answer, okay। 7a cube b² plus 7a² b cube, this is the answer। Now again children, this is not like term, ये दोनों unlike terms हैं, इसलिए हम इनको further add नहीं कर सकते, because यहाँ पे a 3 times है, here we have a 2 times and in this we have b 2 times, here we have b 3 times, so इसलिए ये unlike terms हैं, so that's why we'll leave it here only, this is the answer, okay। So now let's come to the fourth part। Fourth part is a² minus 9 and 4a. So now I hope this is clear that again we have one binomial term and one monomial term, ठीक है। So let's multiply 4a into a² minus 9, ठीक है। So now first we'll multiply 4a by a² and then we'll multiply 4a by 9. Why? Because we have one binomial expression and one monomial expression, तो monomial को binomial के साथ ऐसे ही multiply करते हैं, it would be 4a into a², बीच में माइनस का साइन है, 4a into 9, ठीक है। So 4a into a², so a to the power 1 है and a to the power 2, so total हो जाएगा a to the power 3 and 4 as it is, minus b as it is and 9 4s are 36 and a as it is, so now we have 4a cube minus 36a, so this is the answer। 4a cube minus 36a is the answer। Okay, now let's come to the fifth part। So is this part clear children? One binomial term, one monomial expression, sorry not term, one monomial expression, so we multiplied monomial by binomial and we got our answer। अब ये unlike terms है, इसलिए हम इनको further subtract नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है। So this was the fourth part, now let's come to fifth part। Fifth part, is PQ plus QR plus RP, PQ plus QR plus RP and 0. So now as we can see, the first expression is a trinomial expression. Why? Because we have three terms, 1, 2, 3. So it is a trinomial expression, and this one is a monomial expression because it is just a single term, right? So एक है trinomial expression and एक है monomial expression, and also मैंने अपनी introduction video में ये वाला example भी करवाया है, right? So अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? First we'll write the monomial expression and then we'll multiply it by PQ plus QR plus RP, ठीक है? तो अब हम 0 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इन तीनों अलग अलग टर्म से। कैसे? लेट्स सी। सो फर्स्ट वी विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग 0 बाय PQ, देन वी विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग 0 बाय QR and then we'll be multiplying 0 by our p. So this is the method to multiply a monomial expression by a trinomial expression. ठीक है, so 0 into pq, ठीक है, plus 0 into qr plus 0 into rp. As we know children, 0 into something is always 0. So 0 into pq is 0 plus 0 into qr is 0 plus 0 into rp is 0. So basically our answer comes out to be 0. So the answer of fifth part is nothing but 0. Okay, so anything multiplied by 0 is 0. तो हमें ये सब करने की भी नीड नहीं थी, हमें यहीं पे ही पता था कि when we multiply 0 by this expression we will get 0. Okay, so with this we have completed our question number 1 of exercise 9.3. Okay, so now we'll be starting with question number 2. Now question number 2. So question number 2 says complete the table. So let's make the table. First expression, second expression, and last we have product. Okay, so in this table we are given the first expression, we are given the second expression, and at the end we have to write the product. Okay, so our first expression is a, okay, and our second expression is b plus c plus d. So now as we can see, this is a monomial expression with single term, and this is a trinomial expression with 3 terms. Okay, so now we will multiply monomial by a trinomial. So what we will get children? See, ये एक monomial है, इसको हम पहले b से करेंगे, then we will multiply a by c and then we will multiply a by d. ऐसे ही करते थे हम. This is a into, ठीक है, so a को पहले b से करेंगे, then a will be multiplied to c and then a will be multiplied to d. So a into b हो जाएगा ab plus a into c हो जाएगा ac plus a into d हो जाएगा ad. So this is the product. Okay, a into b ab plus a into c ac plus a into d ad. ठीक है, so now we cannot further add these terms because all are unlike terms. ठीक है, now let's come to second part. So our second part is x plus y minus 5 and 5xy. So again we have one trinomial term. This is a trinomial term, right? x एक टर्म है, y एक टर्म है and 5 एक टर्म है. So ये हो गया एक trinomial expression and this is a monomial expression. Now again, as we all know, monomial expression को करना पड़ेगा अब तीनों trinomial expression की term के साथ multiply. So this would be 5xy multiplied by x plus y minus 5, right? So 5xy into x, then 5xy into y, then 5xy into 5. यही करना पड़ेगा हमें. Now let's see. पहले हम 5xy को करेंगे x से, ठीक है. इधर से स्टार्ट नहीं करना हमें चिल्ड्रन. ये पूरा एक एक्सप्रेशन है, तो अगर 5xy से पहले लिखा होगा तो पहले x से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, नॉट विद 5, ठीक है. सो 5xy into x is 5x square y, because x 2 times है इसलिए स्क्वायर, ठीक है. देन प्लस 5x y square, बिकॉज सेकेंड वाले में y 2 times हो जाएगा, ठीक है. एंड देन थर्ड वाले में हमारे पास माइनस है, तो पहले तो हम माइनस नोट डाउन कर लेंगे. देन 5xy into 5, तो 5 5 जा 25xy. So this is the answer. This is the product of second expression, first and second expression. Now the third part. So the third part says p into 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Yes, this is the third part. So in this third part, as we all know, this is a monomial expression and this is a trinomial expression. So again we have to multiply a monomial expression by a trinomial expression. So again what we will write? p into 6p square minus 7p plus 5. So p into 6p square, p into 7p, then p into 5, ठीक है. So p into 6p square, 6p cube हो जाएगा, 3 हो जाएंगे ना p, minus as it is. Now p into 7p is 7p square, alright, plus as it is. Now p into 5 is 5p. So this is the answer, this is the product. 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p. Now let's come to fourth part. Fourth part is 4p square q square p square minus q square. So now this is a monomial expression because we do not have any operation, plus minus का operation नहीं है, तो ये एक ही term है, ठीक है. And this is a binomial expression. Now we have to multiply monomial by binomial. So what we'll get? 4p square q square into